Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with the McUICnt.exe entry point not found error that reads the procedure entry point could not be located in the dynamic link library, program files, McAfee Security Scan, and security scanner.dll. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito sa search for apps, so kailangan lang natin i-type dito yung create a restore point. Ayan, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung create a restore point, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then pop up itong kanyang system properties. Okay, so ang next step ay select mo lang dito yung system protections, and then dito lang sa pinakauna ito yung system restore. So kailangan mo lang i-click tong system restore. So click lang natin yan. And then pop up ulit itong restore system files and settings. Okay, so system restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. So system restore does not affect any of your documents, pictures, or other personal data. Recently installed programs and drivers might be uninstalled. Ang susunod ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong next. And then ito na siya mga kaibigan. So makikita mo na dito yung restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Alright? So after dito, so close lang natin. And other solution na pwede natin gawin. So, dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then dito sa search for apps. So, type mo lang dito yung CMD. Ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then, dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-type yung command keyword na SFC /scannow. So, in all, small letter lahat, and then yung /scannow ay one word po yan, and then press mo lang enter. And then makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan. So, dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And then next step ay close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun na po ka-simply on how to fix McUICnt.exe entry point not found in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.